How to make text bold in Photopea. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be putting you through how you can make text bold in Photopea. So how do you do this? The first thing to do is to log into your Photopea account just like I have done here, and then once you're logged in, the next thing to do is to select the project either in a project or from the saved project that you have on your Photopea account already. Whichever one, just go ahead and select it, and then once you have it selected, you'll be brought to this page where you can work on your canvas the way you want it. And then the next step to take at this point is to select the text that you would like to bold in. Right, so once you selected the text just like I have done here, you to go to the side where you can see some icons next to by the right side of the screen. All right, the icons will display info, properties, you would see brush, and then you would see character. Right, just click on it. Once you click on character, you would see details about the text, such as the text font, the style of the text. So just click on this style. All right, so once you click on this, you can see regular, italic, bold. All right, just click on bold. As you can see, it's loading. Then once it's done loading, the text has been bolding automatically. It is that simple. All right, so this is how you can make a text bold in Photopea. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.